Alright, let's do that again. The second one I fucked up. I couldn't see the fucking down. No, you good. Ready? Ready? What is it? 197. So I have both sub second for first shot. So 192.
How many rounds you got left?
Probably at 5 or 6.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
I'll go.
There's one in there already. Oh, there's one. That's actually pretty good. Get my cardio in, huh?
I know, huh?
And the breeze started to pick in, so that's good.
All right, gentlemen. At your go.
Fuck, every fucking time.
Ain't no cussing. This is a kids' family channel.
We gotta make an admission by the end of this year. All of us, at least me and him, we gotta get an AR15 so we can all run our own shit.
Yeah.
And I had to share.
Damn, you guys don't want to share?
I don't
Wow.
mind sharing, but
It's a-
Wow, I'm over here sharing with people that don't want to share.
we can share. We just can't look eye to eye.
Yeah.
Just don't look me in my eye while I'm doing my thing. Just focus on what you got going on. Don't focus on the strokes back here.
Which way you gonna? Which direction you gonna go? No, he's good. He's good right there. But what direction you? What direction do you want to go at?
I'm gonna go
Left or right?
from middle to right.
All right. At your go.
Yeah. Do I need to move back a little bit?
You're not on safety.
Oh, you want me to move up a little bit? Okay. Hold on.
At the low, ready. At the low. Just
I'm just making sure.
chilling. Oh, my bad.
Like this? Like just like let it
Yeah.
dangle?
Yeah, it could be like that, or you could just have it, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have it like that. I don't know. Is that? Oh, that's low ready. Oh no. Yeah, that's low ready. Yeah.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
All right.
All right.
Here,
At
how
your
about
go.
this? I'll have it like this.
At your go.
All right. Go. Damn,
Well,
missed it.
1.80, 5.35.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing over there? Huh? Something about the elephant?
Dude, I didn't know. You dehydrated?
All right. Let me know when you're ready. Or maybe when you're ready.
What was the time?
7.15.
1.8. Nice.
Where were you at?
My overall was at a 6, but my first shot was at 119.
Oh, okay.
So he got me on first shot.
Okay.
Shoo. All right. At your go. At your go, my good sir.
Ready, sir. Is this low ready? Oh, fuck.
You can't be cussing. This is a child's channel while we're starting. Exactly.
Dang it. Okay, I'm ready.
Can we say Ninja 1 and Ninja 2 at the chat in the challenge? I'm Fool 1, remember? Not Creepy Dave. That's the old one. I've renewed myself. All right. At your ready, good sir.
Ready.
Did you miss?
Yeah, I missed both.
Well, you're out. But we'll see right now. I guess what's 1.71 and 5.24.
Quick, but if you